Alright, this is step one in our process. So we're going to inoculate agars with spore. First thing we want to do is we want to get our surfaces clean. Anywhere that we're going to actually lay any of our equipment down, we want to make sure it's been cleaned with alcohol. So I'm going to be laying down my my syringes my spore syringes are going to be laid down here on the wood prior to putting my needle on them. I'm also going to have some other stuff that we've set down here. So I just want to make sure all of my surfaces are as clean as I can get them. Give us as good a chance at keeping contamination out as possible. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my plates up here. And these are fresh agar plates. And this is what we're going to put our spores on to start their germination process, to start forming mycelium. So sometimes you'll see spores and they come out, they're black like this. Other times you'll see spores and they're very clear. Either way, you always want to shake up your syringes once you've got them cleaned up. So this is a pink oyster. Okay, now I'm going to change my needle. When I do this, I just want to open the flap up just like this, and I don't want to actually grab this thing. This is all sterilized inside, so I want to avoid touching it if I can. Let's take this needle off. Now I'm doing this in the clean air of the flow hood so as to not introduce this syringe, this open syringe, to any new contaminants. Okay, now I'm going to give this syringe a shake. Oops. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tip of this off and I'm going to put it into my induction sterilizer. Now, if you don't have an induction sterilizer, what you want to do is flame sterilize with a lighter, flame sterilize the tip of this needle until it's red hot. Then you'll take an alcohol wipe and you'll wipe off the soot that's left over from the lighter. And then just pick up the steps from right after I use my induction sterilizer. Okay. Push just a little bit out the tip. Now when I open this, what I want to do is I want to open the lid up so the clean air blows across that lid. I don't want to go the other direction. I want the clean air to blow across the inside of the lid. Just going to put a couple of drops on here. Just like that. And that's done. Then I'll take and I'm going to put this lid on here and I'll put this syringe in front of that agar plate so I know which plate goes to which syringe. Okay, this is red reishi. You can see that actually squirted out across the plate onto the next plate. The lid's on that plate, so we're safe. But that's going to be, there's going to be spores everywhere. So we'll see how that one germinates, in what direction. You know, try to drop them in the middle so it has room to grow out. We may have a spore cluster that grows in the corner over there. This is lion's mane. This is turkey tail. And that's how we inoculate agar with spores. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some parafilm tape on our agar plates, and then I'll put these up and we'll check them in, you can check them in 3, 4, 5 days. It usually takes 5 to 7 days before you start seeing spores do much of anything. So we'll come back and check them out.